This drink I'm actually really excited to show you. This is our take on Harry Potter's world famous butter beer. There's a lot of butter beer recipes out there, but I genuinely think ours is the best. Now to start with, we're gonna need buttered vanilla vodka. We clarify the butter, we macerate the vodka, we freeze it down, and then we cut the fats out, leaving us with a really rich, creamy vodka, which I'm gonna add 30 mils into my tin. Now, obviously, butter beer needs beer. I'm gonna add that last, just because of the gas. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and add another 30 mils of apple juice. Now the apple's really gonna add a lot of texture to the drink and a bit of round flavor. Caramel for some sweetness. Now the vanilla and the caramel obviously always work well together. And this instance is no different. For a touch more dryness and a bit more of that caramel flavor, I've opted for some Jack Daniel's Tennessee Honey. 5 mils, be just enough to really give it that lovely, rich lift of flavor. Now those 4 are all in. I'm gonna now add, again, to bring that creaminess together, just 1 egg white. Split your egg in half, pass the yolk from left to right, and the egg white should naturally just fall straight out. Now this is all together, I'm just gonna give it a quick shake, just to get all the proteins from the egg white really working around the tin. Now once that's done, I can add my ice. And give it a quick taste at this point as well. I know the beer's not in. It's such a fun drink. Ice in. I'm looking for a little bit of dilution on this. Add some ice. And again, single strain. And you're gonna see what those egg whites do to this drink. Really bind it together, give it loads of body, and really help encapsulate the flavor. Splash of my pale ale, just for, again, lovely bit of flavors. That's gonna pop up. To finish, a couple of straws. And why not? Werther's original. That is my butter beer. And you won't find a better one outside of Hogwarts.